Assalamu alaikum children. Today we will continue the previous chapter, Rightly Guided Caliph. In this chapter we will study about our second caliph, Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu. After the death of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu, Hazrat Umar was the Khalifa of people. He ruled over 10.5 years. And his rule was known for the peace, justice, welfare and good facilities for the people. He ruled the people in following ways. He divided the provision into 11 and appointed each governor in one provision. Population surveys was conducted in each provision and land was also surveyed. Department establishment was also there. He established the Department of Police, then Department of Justice, Department of Education, Police Department was for the security and safety of people, Justice Department for the courts and judges, Education Department for the madrasa and teaching different languages, mathematical and technical education. Then there were several other departments. These departments were Postal Department for the improvement of communication system, Postal Department, then Public Service Department. This department helps in building bridges, roads, guest house, traveler shelters. There were 4 major lakes. These lakes were one of them were 99 miles long. One of them lake was 99 miles long. Then he also had several other departments. These departments were Revenue Department, which collect the zakat, jizya and war duties. Military Department had army and soldiers. Citizen welfare, this provides salaries to the citizens. Then also have freedom of faith. Everybody has freedom of faith, means they can follow the faith of their own choice. That means if the person has any other religion, he was free to follow his religion. Then there was National Treasury. National Treasury was Baitul Mal. This Baitul Mal provides the wealth to the poor and the people converted to Islam. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu had a democratic form of government where he approved cabinet ministers which had their general assembly in case of emergency situation and important discussion. Every citizen has right to criticize the authority, even the ruler also. They can object, they can say that what is wrong and what is right. And non-Muslims were also allowed to give the advice. We can say Hazrat Umar as Amirul Momineen. He was Amirul Momineen. Amirul Momineen, the leader of all the Muslims. He was known for the establishment of most organized and systematic form of government in the mankind history. He was martyred by Persian slaves while leading the Fajr prayer. So he died in 634 CE, and before his death he chooses Hazrat Usman Raziallahu Anhu as the third caliph. So the time period of Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu was 634 CE to 645 CE. That means 10 and a half years.